When it comes to planning a trip or researching travel trends, TripAdvisor is one of the platforms people visit first. Billion reviews, real opinions, photos, ratings, and feedback about places and attractions around the world. To track seasonal pricing or analyze the market, you can scrape the data, and we will show you how. Keep watching! Before we start, let's prepare the instruments. You have to install Python and Visual Studio Code. We'll need libraries like Selenium, Beautiful Soup, and Undetected Chrome driver. To install everything, open your terminal and run pips reinstall Selenium, Beautiful Soup 4, Undetected Chrome driver. TripAdvisor uses security systems like Datadom and relies on JavaScript rendering, so a simple request-based script won't work. That's why we used a browser-based approach with Selenium and Undetected Chrome driver. We run the browser with headless false to load dynamic content. The setup also supports proxy routing in hostname port format with IP whitelisting. Technically, the flow is simple. We configure the target URL, output file, browser settings, and optional proxy. The script launches Chrome, waits for restaurant listing to load, handles to cookie banner, and clicks Show More to retrieve additional results. Then it extracts the restaurant name, rating, review count, and link, and saves everything into a file named restaurants.json. The full code is available via the link under this video. If you are sending all requests from a single IP, it may be risky. Our recommendation is to use residential proxies as they make your data collection more stable and reliable. Also, add a 2-3 seconds delays between actions. And if you get a too many request error, don't retry aggressively. Wait and try again. Thanks for watching, try it out yourself and let us know your results in the comments. See you in the next videos.